Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, September 9th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you're posting attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. You are doing a fabulous job of that. Just another reminder about the uniform policy. If a student comes in to the building with a non-uniform outerwear, they just need to remove it. At no time should a student be allowed to wear a hoodie on their head. If they are wearing a uniform solid color jacket or sweatshirt that has a hood, they can tuck the hood into the back. And remember, solid color sweatshirts should be gray, black, or navy. Those are the acceptable colors. All the other colors of the rainbow are for you to wear outside of school. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course and keep an updated electronic copy each week, just in case. Today's late duty is Miss Zimlin. Next week on deck we have Miss Stowe, Miss Shaver, Miss Weaver, Miss Tarver, and Miss Tompkins. Important dates. Today we have Grandparents' Day lunch and Kona Ice. It will be a fun-filled day for sure. We also have the phonics first deadline. Also, all grades must be entered. September 12th, progress reports will be printed and ready to go very soon after that. Also on September 12th, we'll have a faculty meeting. By the end of the day on September 12th, all mandatory district trainings in Vector must be complete. That's the ones with the bloodborne pathogens and about asthma and allergies and those kind of things. September 4th, mandatory reporting PD will be during your planning period. Also, AllaKids deadline, September 21st is the Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th is end of first quarter. October 10th, no school for teacher work day. Kona Ice is today. Here is our revised schedule. This one is the one that came out in the email from Ms. Linscomb yesterday, so make sure you take notice of these times. Also note that this is not an extra recess, that you take your class out and keep your class together as a group and not mixed in with the other classes on your grade level, and enjoy your little sweet treat for a few minutes. Also, congratulations to the newest members of our newscast team. So Team 4 is going to be Justice Douglas, Jasper Beard, Tatiana Parker, Grace Goodwin, and Rowan Doe. Team 5 is going to be Hayden O'Kane, Naomi Howell, Pierce Chancellor, Tylen Brooks, and Cherish Mufalara. And Team 5B is going to be Aiden Fike, Cedric Clifton, Skylar Lankster, Alasia Dean, and Tiana Washington. Congrats to these new members of our newscast team. I will meet with these team members on Monday. I will meet with Team 4. And then I will meet with both of the Team 5s together. So stay tuned for more information about that. And congrats. Looking forward to seeing and hearing these kids on the newscast. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars.